Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? Hope you guys are doing well. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a silver gray smoky eye look for you guys. If you guys want to get this look, then keep watching. So we're going to start with the eyes first. So for eye primer, I will be using the, hold on guys, something that's on my face and I can't even see it. Okay, sorry. I'm going to be starting off with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. So I figured this look would be good for a holiday party, a Christmas party, a family get-together. So this is going to be a little bit more dramatic than the other look I did the other day. So I am very excited to do this one. And I'm going to be using a new palette that you guys probably haven't seen me use before. So I'm really excited to do that as well. So if you have oily eyelids and oily skin like I do, you always want to take your primer, put it all over the entire lid to make sure that it's, you know, covered. For eyeshadow, I'll be using the Lorella Cosmetics Reindeer palette. Isn't this cute? This is so cute. I got this, was it last year, the year before, and I haven't touched it, so I'm excited to use this. This is like perfect for Christmas. So this is the colors. As soon as I saw like the color scheme and how it was, how they did the packaging, I knew I had to get it. So I'm gonna start off with the shade called Christmas. I'm just going to use this as my transition shade. So if you're doing a smoky eye, doing a silver gray smoky eye, if you're doing that, you always want to start with a light shade just to, you know, start that off before you apply any dark shades. And I like to just make sure that the whole lid gets covered with that lighter shade. Just gonna make sure it's blended. Okay, so the first shade I'm gonna start with is Rudolph. And you can always do a smoky eye with like a brown shade first and then apply a black eyeshadow afterwards. Then the second shade I'm gonna start out with is a shade called Chimney. So this is just to give it more depth and to just give that smoky flair. So I like to kind of like layer my colors so that way they don't you know, clash with each other. And then the shade that's gonna go on top of it is a shade called Prancer. So I'm just gonna take very little on my brush and just put it right on my lid, but like in the center, and then I'm just gonna blend that out. So I'm not swiping it on, I'm just tapping it, so that way, just like that, right in the center, and then I'm gonna tap that on, pat that on. Okay, now we're gonna be moving on to our face. I'm done with the eyes. So for primer, I'll be using Milani No Pore Zone Matte Primer. I don't know what is going on with my skin, you guys. My skin is very dry. Like, I guess because you know, it's still like very cold outside, and no matter how many times I moisturize to keep my skin from getting dry, even more dry, I don't know. Somehow it just don't feel like it's working. So I'm just gonna put a little bit over here. Let that dry for a few minutes, and then we're going to apply our foundation. So this is like a very silky, velvety type of texture. This has lily and bamboo extracts, so it's a really lightweight silky texture. It's not heavy like a lot of primers can be out there. So for foundation, I'll be using Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Matte Foundation, and this is in 440. So since it's such a dramatic eye, I am just going to apply a little bit of foundation. I have to get another one because I don't know if I'm running out. Oops. Oh, under the chin, and I'm just gonna blend that out. I want to make sure, so I'm going to just take the back side of my beauty blender and I'm just going to make sure all of this is blended out good. Blending it out is very important. You also want to make sure you go back and you blend it out. And next we're going to get into concealer. For concealer, again, I'll be using Fenty Beauty. This is their Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch Concealer. And this is in the same shade as my foundation, which is 440. And then I'm just going to take a little bit of that and cover up this spot. So I always like to start right here where the inner corner of my eye is and just slowly just blend that out. I'm just going to take a little bit more of that concealer and just really cover this spot. I don't know why it's not covering it as it should. And I'm just going to make sure my foundation and my nose is blended out properly. And to set my concealer, I'll be using the e.l.f. Perfect Finish HD powder. I'm going to do the same thing for the spot. And to set everything, I'll be using MAC Cosmetics Studio Fix Powder in NW45. So I'm just going to take a little bit of powder and just lightly set everything. A little goes a long way. You don't have to like pile it on. Next, we're gonna get into mascara. For mascara, I'll be using CoverGirl Lash Blast Fusion Mascara. So we're gonna get into blush, and for blush I'll be using L'Oreal Cosmetics Pinch Me Volume Blush Palette Volume 2. And I'm gonna mix 2 blushes. So I'm gonna take these 2 blushes and mix them together. And I'm gonna just gonna go back in with the reindeer palette, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of the shade called Rudolph. I'm just gonna put that under my lower lash line. And I'm just gonna take a little bit of Prancer and I'm just gonna put it in my inner corner. And last but not least, we're gonna get into liquid lipstick. For liquid lipstick, I'll be using L'Oreal liquid lipstick. This is in Suede. Just gonna put a little bit more at the top. Okay guys, this is the end of my silver gray smoky eye tutorial for you guys. Really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Like this video, comment down below, let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys on Thursday for a new video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!